Today I am going to draw a kangaroo, so let's get started. First draw two long pointed shapes on top of the head for the ears. The ears should be slightly curved and point outward. Now draw multiple short curved lines for the face. Now draw a long curved line for the body. The body should be significantly larger than the head. Now draw one more curved line. Now draw a nose. Now draw a mouth. Now draw a circle for an eye. Then draw one more small circle in it for pupil of an eye. Draw two shorter arms extending from the upper part of the body. The arms should be slightly bent and end in small hands with 5 fingers. Now, add the tail. Draw a long, thick tail extending from the back of the body. The tail should taper to a point at the end and curve slightly. Now, add the legs. Draw two large, powerful hind legs extending from the bottom of the body. Each leg should have a long foot with 3 toes. Now, refine the shape. Go over your drawing, refining the shapes and adding more details like muscle definition. Carefully erase any unnecessary or overlapping lines to clean up your drawing. Now our drawing is completed, so it's time to add some colours. Kangaroos are usually brown or grey. Use different shades to add depth and realism. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art tutorials for kids. By following these steps, you should be able to draw a detailed and realistic kangaroo. Adjust the shapes and details according to your preference to make your kangaroo unique.